Alright, today we're gonna change the water pump in a Ford Transit Connect XLT. First thing we're gonna remove is the overflow bottom. Then normally we would remove this engine mount here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today. Then we remove this here to get to the water pump. But we gotta get to the tension wheel first to get this belt off, and then we can start, so I'm about to start prepping my tools. So first we're gonna take off is this, remove it out the way. Get some space. Yeah. First thing you want to do is you want to loosen up this before you actually take the belt off. I know you can't see it, right? See, they're not too tight anyway. Got the first one loose. Got the second one loose. There's three of them. Now let's get to the third one. I'm trying to do this without removing this engine mount here. Let's see. Okay, that one is loose. Now our next step is to get this belt off. And most of the time you want to take a picture of the belt, how it is before you actually take it off. But in this case, I don't really want to take the whole belt off. I just want to take off where it's necessary, which I'm going to need some help. Yeah. Which I'm waiting on somebody, so stay tuned where I'm going to remove the belt and get to the tensioner down there, the pulley tensioner, to take the belt off in order to get to the water pump. So stay tuned, guys. Be back. In the meantime, well, I'm waiting on some help to take off this timing belt. I was changing my spark plug at the same time because I had some bad plugs. Alright, first you gotta disconnect each one of these, which I already did. Then you unscrew each screw. This is a 4-cylinder, so we got 4 valves here. Clean it off, prep them, this. This is no good. So this one is full of oil. So now I gotta locate my spark plug socket. In a few minutes, I'm gonna locate my spark plug socket. Gotta go dig for it now. Now we're gonna remove this garden to get to this over here. I'm gonna remove this black guard here. Gotta remove this in order to get to the tension. We got one more right here above here, and we have access to that. Need another extension on this. I can't reach. I got it. Now we can see what's really going on. So let's locate here it is. This is the tension. So we're gonna pull on this, but I'm still waiting on my help, guys. Plus I got the spark plug going. My son is here, but he can't help me right now. But what I'm gonna do is I just want to take the belt off the water pump, which is located right here, up here. But I gotta pull this, get this belt off neatly without everything coming off, which I'm gonna take a picture now. This is my first time, by the way, doing this. So yeah, stay tuned. In a minute, guys, we'll be back. Huh? Need more, Pani? Alright, hold on. I'm growing some more. Ready? Fuck, this shit that slip off. So. Go on now. Still need more?
No, sir. Yeah, no.
Oh, alright today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm eating that's some of the door there.
Yeah. So I go on there, respect. Alright, now we got the pulley out. We got the timing belt off, which I'm gonna replace because that one is no good. Now we're gonna get this water pump off. There's 3 screws down there, so gotta get all 3 of them off this. My first time, so bear with me, guys. I saw some people took the engine mount out, stuff like that. I choose not to because I don't think that's necessary. Maybe if you work at a shop and it's time consuming because you charge for the time. Yeah, but I'm doing this shit. I'm doing this for myself. Pardon my language. I'm doing this for myself. So second screw out. Now we're on to the third screw. Once we get this off, now the water pump is exposed, where we still have a couple more screws to undo in order to get the water pump out. And see, that's the bearing that it runs on. It's a pulley. So that's that right there. So now let's see what socket we're gonna use here. Now I'm gonna change from a 4/16 to a 5/16. I think it's 5/16. Yeah, it is. Alright, so before we pour that, I'm gonna set a pan for water to catch the water well, I was pouring water in there because I was just trying to buy coolant, so it was a waste. So 1 second and stay tuned while we get this water pump out and replace it with the new one. And we're back. So now let's see. This is the water pump right here. That's the water pump. So we're gonna undo these 4 screws and then we're good to go to take that one out and replace it with the new one. Okay. Alright. Where's my socket? 1 second. So you gotta be careful. On top there's 2 screws. You make sure you do the one on the right. The other one is not the water pump. You make sure you unscrew the one on the right. Kind of tight. I guess that's why some people take the mount, the engine mount out, but in this case, like I said, I'm not taking that out. I got small ends, I could get up in there. Alright, there we go. So that's 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1. So hot out here. I know you can't see what I'm doing yet. Next step, after we get this out, I already hit it with a hammer a couple of times now. Here it goes. The water pump, guys. This is what's been leaking water. This is it. So I'm gonna show you the new one. Old and new. Genuine aftermarket, I'm assuming. It's Ford, but it's not. This is the one the truck was made with. Now we're gonna replace it with this one. So see this rubber here? This is what we're gonna put on here. We got a new one in the box. So I've been having a leak. Is either you replace this, the rubber, or you replace the whole thing. So I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. Just gonna replace the whole thing. Makes life easier. Here goes the gasket for it. I'm gonna put it on right there. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back in. So you see this part here goes on the bottom. Okay. So we're gonna go back in. It goes in easier than that comes out because it was in there for a while. You know, hold on. I'm sorry. It's still not in this yet. Now I gotta catch the screws. 3 of them. One. There go number 2. Can't see. Need a little. Okay, there you go. There you go. Now we're going in. There it is. I'm gonna apply number 3 screw. Screw number 3. Okay. Now we're gonna tighten them up. We're gonna tighten them up now. Put some tension on all of them. Not gonna tighten all of them at once. Gotta get an extension on this. Bear with me, guys. Really tight working down here, but we're getting there. Huh? Place hot, bro. Alright. Now we're gonna put on the drive belt. I bought a brand new drive belt. I'm gonna replace it. Let's see if I remember how to get this bad boy on. It's a bit tricky, yeah.
Ready again?
Yeah.
Yeah, hang up. Yeah, hang up, brother.
Yeah, that good. Yeah, over this. Crap. A little tricky here. It's a little bit tricky over here. Oh shit. Alright, there we go. There we go, right there. Right there. Well, let's up as a flex. Hold on. Let it go. Give me some slack. Yeah. Take it off of that. Alright, pull it off. I'm gonna hit the tension now. You good? Ready?
Yeah. Yo.
Alright.
Got it.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. We got the new belt on. Ready to go. Now we're just gonna tighten back this pulley up. Tighten it back to the water pump. Because that's the only way you could tighten it with the belt on.
Okay, finish. You look at 5 bomb buckler stuff.
See how they remove the valve. You can see that in the previous video. No flex. No, let me take out this one.
Yo.
Magnet.
Nah, go this looks a little bit. Is your beat on top it?
Yeah.
Here the on the tree. Okay, blossom. Coconut on the tree. Mango on the tree.
The fruit season.
I tell you, sweet up on the tree. Pussy
Good thing up there. Waiting on the magnet to get this.
Yeah, man, that well needed changing, man.
See? And I'm full of oil. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We'll change the sealant.
I'm going to change the gasket.
Can push down in the oil for what you can do. Use a long a thing, there, man.
Oh.
Use a long flathead. Yeah.
What's that grab a drop up with a customer house? The mad man, this one.
Piece of garlic. 5 pieces of garlic.
Look on the front seat of the vehicle.
Shakes. That's all I give me.
I
Shakes.
don't know shapes. I don't know no grabber either.
You talk about shakes, huh?
Remember when you not take away blood clot shakes from when?
Yeah, no better that time I take a shake.
Really easy. If I can't do better, I cost so chicken.
Because we not totally commit it. Sanjay, you are straight from the topic, you know. You are cheap. Because we not totally omit the part where she said every woman get molested. And that's what me take issue with. And that my issue. When she said every woman get molested.
What's the issue?
Nobody now shove not down this woman amount. Nobody can shove not this girl amount neither. Unless they still want to have it. If they want have, if they don't want
Have
it,
you what?
fine, she be down in my mouth.
What's your
If
talk
they
about?
want it, then I suggest it stay at the place where God put it. But make them try the make
Well,
them
sir,
try
that should be
to
nice
them
about
part
my
and
bite
should be
here.
the girl amount, that's what I'm doing.
Done me already. Swallow it already.
Yeah, just drop in a group.
Yeah.
Blood clot. This a girl I said she suck with that. And it make she happy. But she not.
What's the comment them there?
She not waste and show up on foolish. Yeah,
But
finally
it's
somebody
good
else somebody talk to Facebook and show.
Don't talk sense, no, no, act like the Jamaican, them and turn fool. If Jamaicans say we jump off our bridge, now go do it.
Hold that.
Whole world.
Huh?
They say we stop drink ensure.
Who's the top drink ensure? A baby drink ensure you out and weak people who can't eat food. Stay tuned. Alright, so all the plugs are in. Clean the valves, we're gonna tighten those up.
one thing you do, man. That's one thing every artist up on the show good. You have to get a blood clot performance.
Yeah.
You have to get a... Yo, chicken. Once my every artist good, you're gonna get a performance.
Yeah, so now see my blood clot, all that lyrics so the blood clot stage.
Worst when the man have a little friend in the back of one. Lord.
Yeah, everything kind of.
Blood. 15 over the that team that kind of reading the blood clot is a real hit. Bomba clot!
Everything is great.
Yo, boy, I have to remix this to blood clot again.
Bingo. Job done. 2013 Ford Transit. Water pump change. Spark plug change.